Hello, it's High Tech All. You are watching Top 5 Best Electric Tankless Water Heater. More info on the products, we've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Before we get started, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Number 5. Great Bear Electric Tankless Water Heater. Optimal energy efficiency of 99.8% saves considerable electric charge for you. The Electric Tankless Water Heater, ECO130, provides instant and endless hot water with stable and desired temp. Number 4. Ariel Electric Tankless Water Heater. Endless hot water, save space, save energy, easy maintenance. The detachable flow sensor and water strainer make maintenance a breeze. With high temp protection, dry heating protection, and electrical leakage protection, you can rest easily knowing you have safe, on-demand hot water to use on your schedule. Number 3. Rinkmo Electric Tankless Water Heater. Units are designed to be highly efficient by heating water only when it's needed, no need to preheat, giving you hot water in seconds, not minutes, saving up to 40% energy. Inner water and electricity lines separate technology, prevents from building up rust and scale inside the tank. You'll always experience fresh, clean water that's heated on demand. Number 2. EcoSmart ECO Electric Tankless Water Heater. The product is highly durable. It can provide between 1.8 and 4.3 gallons per minute depending on the inlet water temperature. The Smart Technology Electric Tankless Water Heater is configured as a whole home model for climates where incoming water temperature is 62 degrees Fahrenheit and above. Number 1. Rheem Electric Tankless Water Heater. On-off dial control with adjustable digital temperature display. Self-modulating power control. 24 kilowatts model flow rate, up to 5.9 GPM, for RTEX 24. Bottom 3x4 inches NPT water connections. On demand, consistent and continuous hot water.